We want to solve for x such that the absolute value of x squared minus 4x plus 3 is less than the absolute value of 2x minus 3. The biggest problem here is that there's two absolute values, so we can get rid of the absolute values by squaring both sides. And so that's just going to give us x squared minus 4x plus 3 squared is less than 2x minus 3 squared. The mistake here is to square both of those because it's just going to be a lot of work and there's a good chance for making a mistake. So instead, what we're going to do is bring the 2x minus 3 squared to the left side and then factor it by using a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. So a is going to be x squared minus 4x plus 3, and then b is going to be 2x minus 3. So we subtract a and b, and then multiply it by a plus b. And so those two products is going to be less than 0. So now I can simplify what's in the parentheses. So we have x squared, negative 4x minus 2x is negative 6x. 3 minus negative 3 is positive 6. X squared comes down. Negative 4x plus 2x is negative 2x. And the 3's are going to cancel. So we're going to see when this is less than 0. So before we check when this is less than 0, we need to factor this out to see when the left side is equal to 0. So we can get our intervals. So we'll start off with the x squared minus 2x. That's just x times x minus 2. And then x squared minus 6x plus 6. Use quadratic formula to get x minus the quantity 3 plus root 3. And then x minus the quantity 3 minus root 3. So set each of these factors equal to 0 to get 0, 3 plus or minus root 3, and 2. So then you just draw the intervals. So here there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different intervals, as you can see here, that we need to test. So if we're going to look at the first region from negative infinity to 0, we can pick negative 1, plug in negative 1 back to the original inequality, and see if it works. It does not. Then we pick a number between 0 and 3 minus root 3. Let's say 1. Okay, that works. Pick a number between 3 minus root 3 and 2. Let's say 1.5. That doesn't work. Pick a number between 2 and 3 plus root 3. Let's say 3. That works. And then finally, we can pick a number between 3 plus root 3 and infinity. Let's say 4. And that doesn't work. So then, the only intervals that are going to work are going to be from 0 to 3 minus root 3, union 2, comma 3 plus root 3. And so that's going to be the final answer.